All right, guys. I just wanted to tell you how amazing I think everybody is and how good you are working at home and teaching your kids at home. I know it's tough having a job and teaching kids at home, being the teacher, but you are doing a fantastic job. And the questions that I get from Remind, um, keep those coming. I mean, if you have a question, please, please, please ask the question, and I will help you as soon as I can. All right. So with that being said, I wanted to talk about a few things of where Floyd County Schools is going for the rest of the semester. We are going to make another packet available. Glenwood is sometime after spring break. So if you would like to get a packet, you still can. However, if you want to do the online, which I would like for us to do the online as much as you can, especially when we get Path Blazers. Floyd County Schools is getting Path Blazers, and we're going to sign. They're going to sign everybody up, and it's going to be based on their MAP scores, their RIT scores. So the test that they took in the winter is going to start them out there, and it's going to be able to find where they are and be able to either reteach some skills or if they're ready to move on, go further in the school year. So they can be working on some first grade material. So that'll be cool. Zern is a math program that's based off of our lessons from Eureka Math, and you'll be able to click on Zern and find some activities to do there. We're still using MobyMax if you want to use MobyMax. Now, the McGraw-Hill right here is talking about their wonders. So their reading materials and their games and things like that we've done in the classroom. So it'll have a story. You can ask them questions and write about the story or what have you. But let me talk about how to get onto everything. Okay. If you'll click up here on the waffle and you'll click on Classroom, it will pull up Google Classroom, and I will post some assignments there. So here's the classrooms that I have. So you should just have my class, PE, art, and music, and Miss Crawford's class. So click on my class, and there you'll see some assignments. I've got the Clever login there, and then I have some assignments from Wonders on there, and a number words assignment. This was just to get everybody used to what it's going to look like. So when I click on Clever, I've got to log into Clever. So let me log out of Clever and show you how to log into Clever. Hang on. Some of you guys already know this, which that's awesome. All right, so when I get to this page, I need it for their username. I'm going to type in their lunch number, okay? After I type in their lunch number, their password is going to be capital S, the word study, capital S, and then their lunch number again. So I'm going to log in on my account. And if you'll click show right here, this will show their password. So, I'm going to do this really fast. Unless you want to do some of my work, and I would love that. And I just click on, my page, and then I see some people who are logged in. And these are the things that you'll need: Path Blazer, Zern, MobyMax, and McGraw-Hill. Now, McGraw-Hill will, if you pull that up, if you have Clever open, when you pull McGraw-Hill up, it will automatically pull up Wonders. And we should be on Unit 9, Week 1. And then the next assignment would be Week 2. And then Week 3, you guys can go on ahead if you want to, whatever, if you can see this part. If not, that's fine. And then Unit 10, and then they're basically done. What I've done is I've clicked these assignments here, and I've went ahead and put these in Google Classroom if you want them now, and I will hopefully keep on doing that. These are the worksheets, too, that comes with this. I may can assign those, I'm not sure yet. If you click on go right here, it will launch stuff. I'm not sure if it will do it on the student's end. You'll have to let me know if it does or not. This workbook pages are supposed to be ordered and sent to you guys. I don't know when, but I think it's going to be. So with all that said, you should know how to log into Clever, and you should know to log into the Google Classroom. I can post assignments. You can ask me questions. You can comment on things if you like it or not, or anything else you want me to add. I'm going to add next, when we get back from spring break, I'm going to add a PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is going to look like, sorry, let me pull that up right fast. The PowerPoint is going to look like this. Hang on. All right, so the PowerPoint is going to look like this. And you're going to just work on 20 minutes a day for each subject, okay? You're going to find some reading. There's the story, there's the lessons, there's some high frequency words, and then we're going to start doing the Path Blazers, and that all goes through their Clever account. So then when you get done with that, you can move on down to the math lesson. The math lesson has a video for them to watch right here, and then you can talk about the days of the week, the months of the year, the seasons, the numbers, practice counting by ones, tens, and fives, and adding. And then you can work, after you're done, on Zern or Prodigy and Path Blazers. I know that's a lot, but again, the county wants Zern and Path Blazers. All right, and then you just do that each day. And then for social studies, I put a slide on here to incorporate writing, and you can write about some things, informative paper about space, informative paper about animals. PebbleGo's login is Glenwood PS, and the password is media. And I can send a link to that too if you don't know that. They like the PebbleGo. Write a paper about how to grow plants. That's your procedural paper. Entertain. Write a sentence starter. Yesterday I went to the farm and what happened. Make sure you include characters, setting, problems, events, and solutions. Characters and settings, and have a problem, and then find out, a solution or whatever. Make sure their paper has a beginning, middle, and an end. That's what we would like.